Rachel, and today I'm back with another unboxing video. I've got my Moterm planner to unbox. This just came this morning, and this is the first time that I've ordered a Moterm directly from AliExpress. My personal planner I got from somebody in the D-Stash group. So this one came direct to me from AliExpress, like I said. It came in this morning. So a couple of things to note. Number one, I noticed a couple of people saying in a couple of Facebook groups that they'd started to get customs on these, which I did not. I did not get customs. And also, I don't know if it's normal or not, but I actually got an email saying that this was literally this morning. So this was delivered today, this morning. I also got an email this morning saying that this had been taken in by Royal Mail and to go to my local post office to pick it up, which I didn't understand at all. Number one, there's 3 or 4 post offices near me, so I was having a bit of a panic of which one I would be going to. And number two, the tracking, when I pressed the tracking button, said that it was being delivered, so I was completely confused, and I meant to reach out to somebody that I knew who had ordered from directly from Moterm before to see what had happened in their experience, but then it just popped at the door anyway. So yeah, something to note there. So this then is a Hobonichi Weeks Moterm cover, but this is actually going to be the cover for my Print Impression Weeks, because I have been told that a Print Impression Weeks will fit in here. I'm not sure on whether or not it will fit in here with a cover on. Again, it's going to be trial and error, so we will see. So I've got the fancy little dust bag that you get, which I quite like. I didn't get this on the one that I bought in the D-Stash because that was an older version. I did get it on the B6 cover that I recently hauled. That's a few videos ago if you want to go and see that one. So I picked the lychee pink colour. And sorry, I think lychee is actually the model of the personal planner that I got. So just pink. I picked the pink colour, which is same as my lychee pink, is what I should have said. And I have got that next to me so that we can do a colour comparison. So again, I'm going to be hoping for the same thing that I got in my personal planner. I'm hoping that it's going to be a nice light pink, more of a blush pink rather than a darker sort of a dusky pink. I like the lighter pinks, so this is always nerve-wracking, this bit, but we'll open it and see. Oh, I can see straight away. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is, oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh wow, this is pretty much, it's upside down, pretty much the same colour as my personal. I'm going to get my personal quickly and we'll do a little colour comparison. So you can see there, they are pretty much exactly the same. On the camera, they're coming up more of a taupey colour. They're not. They're a beautiful blush pink. They're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm so glad that I got this. I was a little bit umming and ahhing between getting the pink and between getting the cream colour, which I might still grab. Oh, we've got the double little popper thing there, which is good. So yeah, I might still grab that. So it needs to lie flat. It's a little bit puckered up at the moment. It needs to lie flat, but it will do eventually once I get it back in shape. So we have got pretty much the same pocket configuration as my B6 cover, but in smaller size. So we've got the little card slot pockets down at the bottom. These ones feel like longer ones as well, which is nice. I mean, I'm putting my, yeah, these ones are going to go, these are going to fit a proper card in, you know, a proper credit card sized card in. I think, if I'm right, the ones on the B6 ones don't go as far. Some of them do, but all of them don't. But anyway, we have got some pockets at the side as well. And we have got this pocket here. We've got the 2 strings, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I won't cut them off, though, just in case I want to resell it. And also because I don't want to have a silly black mark at the top there. Then we've got a small secretarial pocket and 2 pockets here. And we have got a pen loop that just needs squashing into the right shape. And then we have got a big back pocket. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my print impression, I'm going to put the cover on, and then I'm going to come back and see if it fits in, and I will fill you in then. So I've gone and got my cover and my Print Impression Weeks. The cover that I've got is the official one from Print Impression, and this is the collaboration with Fox and Pip Bows. It's the Luxe one. It's beautiful. I love it so much. I'm going to say this, but then I am going to do it. I don't think I'm going to put any die cuts inside of this cover, but I've instantly thought, yeah, I am. Why am I saying that? I am going to put die cuts in this cover, but it is beautiful and it doesn't really need anything extra, but we like to go extra. We're going to put some extra bits in there, but nonetheless, this is the official Print Impression cover, so we're going to give it a go and see if we can slip it inside of here. I do have a very reliable source that's told me that this should be okay. You can see that there's quite a bit of gap between the Print Impression and the cover, so it should sort of have some squish room. I'm going to do this off camera because I can't quite see what I'm doing, but I will be back in a second. Right, so I am back, and what I have discovered is this cover. So this is going to be my empty Print Impression Weeks. This is next year's, and this is the luxe cover on cover, like I said. And what I've realised is that this cover is quite a bit bigger than the other cover on cover. Can you see, if I hold it that way, so you can see they are touching at the end there, and can you see how much bigger on that end this is? I'm not sure if that's an irregularity with the one that I've got, if that's just the design of these new luxe ones, so I couldn't get that in. I'm not going to be deterred though. I am going to do a little bit of surgery on the back of this. I figure if I cut the top and the bottom off, it will make this into sort of a flappy situation, which I'm not bothered about because I don't think there's any situation where I'd ever use this just like this. And I'm going to attempt to try and get that in there. So I will do that in my own time, and I'll keep you posted on how that goes. But for the original cover on cover in my very, very stuffed Print Impression Weeks, I did manage to get that in. Now, if you've seen my other videos in this Print Impression Weeks, you will know that this is pretty busted up. So you can see here that the cover is not reaching the end there because the back and everything has come off. Now, that is not a result of trying to shove that in here. You'll have seen already many times that that is just because she's a very stuffed baby. So yeah, so I'm happy that she's gone in. I'm going to sort out this lying flat situation because that's annoying me a little bit. And when I'm doing my plan with me, is I'm going to want it to lie flat. It will lie flat eventually. It's literally just a case of that it's just been a bit squashed up in the packaging. But I'm really, really happy with this. So let's shut her up. So she does have, and she's quite stuffed, so I'm interested to see if I'm going to get her popped. Yep, she is popped shut. It's a bit of a squeeze, and she's had to go on the first popper. There's no way on this earth she's going on the second popper. And this is nearly done with now. So we are mid-November, aren't we? Are we? Round about mid-November, I think. So she's not going to get too fatter. So I am confident that this will last me for the year. My tab situation, I don't know. There's a bit of room in there. And with the one that's not busted up anyway, I might have a little bit more wiggle room. But we can figure that out. So yeah, really, really happy with this. So I will try and figure out if there's a model name for this one. So like I said, when I said Lychee Pink before, I think Lychee is the model of this planner. I think it's just pink. I don't think that this is Lychee, but I'll investigate and I'll let you know in the description bar down below what I find out. But yeah, really, really happy with this. So that being said then, we can get on with filming a setup video for this one. I didn't tab this last year. I just put one tab on the end there, and I just used that for putting things in that were important that I needed to remember to put in the weeks. I also didn't tab the monthly section. Whoops, if I can get there. I also didn't tab the monthly section, but I think this year, because I'm going to stick with it. Last year I wasn't sure if it was going to work for me. I didn't want to waste any tabs, but I've been in this the whole year, and obviously I'm planning on being in it the next year. So we're going to tab her up. We're going to perform a bit of surgery on this case and pop it in, and I think we will do a setup video if that's something that you would like to see. So yeah, really, really excited to use this for next year. Just a quick video today. Sorry about my posting schedule this week. It's been a bit all over the place, but today is the last day that I've had the workmen in. They have left, and I hope to never see them again, so we can get back to posting some regular videos. But thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for the lovely messages you've sent me on Instagram, checking in to see if I'm all right. You can probably hear my dogs going mad in the garden, so I think that that is my cue to disappear. I hope you're all safe and well. If you like this video, if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.